As HVAC systems, dehumidifiers, and high-efficiency appliances become more common, the demand for reliable condensate pumps continues to rise. Homeowners and technicians alike value models that offer smooth operation, dependable build quality, and low maintenance. While this guide normally evaluates keyboards for switch type, build quality,
List number 1. Little Giant VCMA 15 ULST 115 volt. The Little Giant VCMA 15 ULST is one of the most trusted condensate pumps for residential HVAC systems, offering a strong balance of power, quiet operation, and durability. Built with a robust thermoplastic body, this model is engineered to withstand moisture, temperature fluctuations, and years of continuous use. Its 150th HP motor provides reliable lift and flow performance, making it suitable for air conditioners, dehumidifiers, and furnaces that generate consistent moisture. A standout feature of the VCMA 15 ULST is its built-in safety switch, which automatically shuts off the connected appliance in the event of pump failure. This adds a critical layer of protection against potential overflow damage. The pump includes a 6-foot power cord, a removable check valve, and 3 1 1/8-inch drain inlet openings for flexible installation. Its 15-foot lift capacity is suitable for most residential setups. Noise performance is also impressive. The pump operates quietly enough to be installed near living spaces without disruption. Maintenance is simple thanks to the easy open cover, allowing for quick access for cleaning or troubleshooting. Overall, the VCMA 15 ULST is a reliable, feature-rich option for homeowners who want dependable long-term performance at an excellent value. List number 2. Little Giant VCMA 20 ULS 115 volt. The Little Giant VCMA 20 ULS takes everything users love about the 15 ULST and elevates it with greater lift capacity and stronger overall performance. With a 1/30th HP motor, this unit is designed to manage heavier condensate loads, making it ideal for larger HVAC systems, high-capacity dehumidifiers, or appliances installed further from the drainage point. Its 20-foot lift capability makes it a strong choice for vertical installations and more complex drainage setups. Durability remains a strong point thanks to the high-quality thermoplastic construction and corrosion-resistant components. This model includes an efficient check valve designed to prevent backflow, preserving pump longevity and ensuring smooth operation. While it lacks the safety switch found on certain premium units, its reliability and consistently strong pumping performance make it a top choice for most residential and light commercial applications. The VCMA 20 ULS is also known for its quiet operation, producing minimal vibration and noise. The spacious, accessible reservoir makes cleaning straightforward, and installers appreciate the multiple inlet ports that make integration with diverse systems easy. Whether replacing an old pump or upgrading to support a larger unit, this model offers excellent value, dependable engineering, and the performance needed for more demanding applications.
List number 3. Little Giant VCMA 20 ULS 115 volt duplicate listing. Since this is the same model listed twice, this review highlights additional details that may help buyers make an informed decision. The VCMA 20 ULS is a step up from the 15 ULST for users who need more power without jumping to a commercial-grade solution. Its 130 HP motor offers increased flow rate and lift performance, making it especially effective in multi-story homes, basements, or installations where the drainage path is longer. This model continues Little Giant's tradition of dependable engineering. It's built to run for extended periods without overheating thanks to thermal overload protection integrated into the motor. Another benefit is the lightweight, compact design that fits easily into tight utility closets, crawl spaces, or behind HVAC units. Technicians appreciate the unit's reliability, which translates to fewer callbacks and maintenance issues. Although it does not include a built-in safety switch, a separate shutoff alarm can be added for high-risk installations. The check valve included with the unit provides a tight seal and helps maintain consistent pump pressure. Consumers also note the ease of installation, making it a suitable option even for DIY-minded homeowners. If you need a strong, long-lasting condensate pump with minimal noise and robust lift capability, the VCMA20ULS remains one of the most dependable options available.
List number 4. Diversatech Ultra CP22 Ultra Series Automatic Condensate Pump. Diversatech's Ultra CP22 Ultra Series is engineered for high-performance HVAC applications, offering one of the quietest operating experiences in the category. Designed with advanced noise-dampening technology, this pump is an excellent choice for installations near living spaces, bedrooms, or offices. It features a powerful motor that provides consistent pumping performance with a 22-foot lift, ideal for complex drainage systems or high-efficiency units producing substantial condensate. One of its most compelling strengths is its vibration isolation, achieved through a uniquely engineered base that minimizes sound transfer. The reservoir is significantly more robust than traditional thermoplastic designs, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial environments. It also includes an overflow safety switch for added protection, automatically engaging connected equipment or alarms if the pump fails. The Ultra CP22 includes thoughtful touches such as a built-in check valve, LED indicator for pump status, and a convenient mounting design that simplifies installation. Maintenance is user-friendly, with easy access to internal components for cleaning or inspection. The energy-efficient motor further enhances long-term value by reducing wear and power consumption.
List number 5. Diversatech Pro CP22S 120-volt, 22-foot lift HVAC condensate pump. The Diversatech Pro CP22S is a professional-grade condensate pump built for demanding residential and commercial HVAC environments. With a substantial 22-foot lift capability, this pump handles heavy moisture loads with ease, making it a strong fit for multi-story buildings, high-capacity systems, or areas where drainage distance is a challenge. Its rugged housing and powerful motor are designed to withstand frequent cycles and long hours of operation. A key highlight is the stainless steel pump shaft, which enhances resistance to corrosion and extends service life. Additionally, the pump features a reliable float switch system that activates with precision to prevent overflows and maintain smooth drainage. The integrated safety switch can trigger alarms or shut down equipment to protect against water damage, an essential feature for high-risk installations. Despite its powerful performance, the Pro CP22S is impressively quiet. Diversatech's enhanced noise reduction design reduces both vibration and mechanical humming, making it a suitable choice for indoor or sound-sensitive environments. Technicians often commend the straightforward installation process, thanks to multiple inlet options and a well-designed mounting layout.